Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the best creamy, hydrating body scrub. Without wasting time, let's just get started. Big enough bowl and come in with some white sugar. Next, I'll come in with my bath oil. And finally, I'll come in with a hydration cream. Here, I'm using the Nivea Hydration Body Lotion. I'll give it a good mix and it's ready to be used. So you just take a little amount and scrub your body with it. You do this in a circular motion. This helps remove any excess dead skin that might be sitting on top of your body. It helps glow your skin. It makes room for the brighter, younger looking skin. And also, if you're somebody who doesn't like putting cream or lotion on your body after shower, this comes in handy because this will gonna hydrate your skin without making it greasy. So basically, I keep this in a separate container and keep it in my bathroom cabinet. So I hope I did help you, and I hope you're gonna give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. So if you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am gonna see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.